To adjust your alarm notification sound volume on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Clock app. While you are in the alarm section, tap the required alarm you like to adjust its volume. Tap alarm sound. Now, slide the volume adjustment bar to the right to get a louder alarm sound, or slide it to the left to get a quieter alarm sound. Tap the back key. Tap Save button to save your selection. With this setting, when the selected alarm rings, your phone will play the notification sound at the specified volume level. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.